Let's talk about one of the most common questions people ask ChatGPT. How do I negotiate my salary? If thinking about that conversation makes your stomach flip, you're not alone. But the good news is, you can learn this. And with a simple plan, you can sound confident, not awkward. First, mindset. You're not begging for money. You're discussing the fair value of your work. Companies expect this. Negotiation is a normal part of getting hired or promoted. Next, do your homework. Look up salary ranges for your role, your level, and your location. Use sites like Glassdoor, Levels, or LinkedIn Salary. Then decide on 3 numbers: your dream number, your realistic target, and your walkaway minimum. Now, let's talk scripts. When they give you an offer, don't react right away. Instead, say something like, "Thank you so much for the offer. I'm really excited about the role. Would it be okay if I take a day to review the details?" When you're ready to negotiate, you might say, "I'm very excited about this opportunity. Based on my experience in X and the market rate for similar roles, I was expecting something closer to your target. Is there room to move the salary in that direction?" Then pause. Don't fill the silence. Let them respond. If they say the number is fixed, focus on the total package. You can ask, "Is there any flexibility with a signing bonus, performance bonus, or additional vacation time?" If they push back with something like, "This is what we pay everyone at this level," you can respond, "I understand. Given the value I can bring in specific skill or result, is there any way we can get closer to your target or adjust the offer in other ways?" The more specific you are about your value, the stronger your case. Think results, not responsibilities. You can even practice all of this with ChatGPT. Type in the job, your experience, and the offer. Ask it to role-play the recruiter. Refine your answers until they feel natural. Remember, the worst they can say is no, but many times they say yes, or at least meet you in the middle. If you want to turn scripts like this into your own animated explainers, go to vidfactory.ai to make your own explainer videos effortlessly.